Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 5 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5, and this is equal to 100 to the power of 5. Now, I'm going to change the 100 to 10 squared. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5, and this is equal to 10 squared to the power of 5. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 10 to the power of 2 to the power of 5, this is going to equal 10 to the power of 2 times 5. And 2 times 5 is simply 10, so this would equal 10 to the power of 10. And also, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, because this is simply equal to a to the power of m times n, we could reverse these two, meaning this would also equal a to the power of n to the power of m. So in this case, I'm going to switch the places of x to the power of 5 and 5. So now we would have x to the power of 5 to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 10 to the power of 10. And if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a is equal to b. So in this case, x to the power of 5 is equal to 10, meaning x is equal to the fifth root of 10. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So I have 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m is equal to 65. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to rewrite this as 3 to the power of m to the power of 2 over 2. And 2 over 2 is simply just 1, so we have 3 to the power of m to the power of 1, which is the same thing as 3 to the power of m. So I'm not making any major changes here. So, and I'm going to subtract this with 2 to the power of m to the power of, again, 2 over 2. Now this is equal to 65. Now, I can actually rewrite this as 3 to the power of m over 2 to the power of 2, because these two 2's cancel out anyways, so this is just equal to 3 to the power of m. And I'm subtracting this with the same thing over here, 2 to the power of m over 2 to the power of 2. Now I'm going to let the variable x equal 3 to the power of m over 2, and I'm going to let y equal 2 to the power of m over 2. So now I have x squared minus y squared is equal to 65. Now, if I have something in the form x squared minus y squared, I can write this as x plus y times x minus y. So I have x plus y times x minus y is equal to 65. So now x plus y times x minus y, this is equal to 13 times 5, because 65 is equal to 13 times 5, meaning we could say that x plus y is equal to 13 and x minus y is equal to 5. So now if I add these two together, x plus y is equal to 13 and x minus y is equal to 5. If I add these two together, I get 2x. There's not going to be any y because plus y and minus y cancel out, and this is equal to 13 plus 5 is 18. And this means that x is equal to 9. So if x is equal to 9, then this means that y is equal to 4, right? Because 9 plus 4 is 13 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So we have y is equal to 4. So now I have, let's plug in x in here. So now I have 9 is equal to 3 to the power of m over 2. And 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. So I have 3 squared is equal to 3 to the power of m over 2. Meaning 2 is equal to m over 2, and m is equal to 4. So this is our answer. M is 4.